Delphiniums are beautiful flowers that come in a variety of colors, and knowing how to propagate them can be incredibly rewarding. We'll explore 3 simple techniques for propagating delphiniums using seeds, division, and cuttings. Let's start with seeds. Propagating delphiniums from seeds is an exciting journey that allows you to witness the miracle of new life unfolding right before your eyes. To begin, you'll need to collect ripe seeds from mature delphinium plants. Look for seed pods that have turned brown and feel dry to the touch. Once you've collected the seeds, it's time to prepare them for planting. Next, prepare a seed tray or small pots filled with a light, well-draining potting mix. Gently scatter the delphinium seeds on the surface of the soil and lightly press them down. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, and place the tray or pots in a warm, bright location. In a few weeks, you should start to see tiny seedlings emerging from the soil. Now, let's talk about division. Dividing delphiniums is a simple and effective way to propagate these lovely flowers, while also rejuvenating older plants. This technique is best done in early spring or fall when the plants are not in active growth. Start by carefully digging up the delphinium plant you wish to divide, being mindful to preserve as much of the root system as possible. Once you've dug up the plant, use a clean, sharp knife to divide the root ball into smaller sections, each containing at least 1 healthy shoot and a portion of the root system. Replant the divided sections in well-prepared soil, making sure to water them thoroughly to help them establish. With proper care, these divisions will grow into vigorous new plants, ready to bloom in their next season. Finally, let's explore the technique of propagating delphiniums from cuttings. This method is particularly useful for creating new plants that are genetically identical to the parent plant. To take cuttings, select healthy, non-flowering shoots from the delphinium plant and cut them just below a leaf node. Remove the lower leaves from the cutting, leaving only a few at the top. Dip the cut end of the cutting into a rooting hormone to encourage root development. Then plant it in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. Keep the cutting consistently moist and place it in a warm, bright location out of direct sunlight. In a few weeks, roots should begin to form, indicating that the cutting has successfully rooted. And there you have it, 3 simple techniques for propagating delphiniums, seeds, division, and cuttings. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these methods offer a wonderful way to expand your garden and enjoy the beauty of delphiniums for years to come. Happy propagating!